Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I just wanted to come and deep condition my hair with you guys. I already shampooed my hair and I used the Aveda shampoo here. And this is a silicone paraben free brand. This is a clean ingredient here. And this shampoo smells just like cherries. Smells so good. Smells just like cherries. It does lather up really good. It does not strip your hair, and it's safe for color treated hair. So that's why I'm using this one here to see how safe it is for my color treated hair. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to deep condition. And the deep conditioner I'm going to be using is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Mask. It's more like a protein treatment, and it is silicone and parabens and all that stuff free. Yeah, and it's safe, also safe for color treated hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with that. Like I said, already shampooed, and let's see. Okay, now let's get started. This is a brand new jar. It has the plastic lid on for safety here. And that's what the products look like. Slide. Just have a faint kind of smell. Nothing strong or anything. We're going to use this just on the cap. And it's very, very light. Like a light creamy. It's lighter. It feels in texture wise, it's more lighter than that what is it, the gentle be gentle be kind. It's a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this little bit first. Put that on. Yeah, see, this one is a little bit like, see how it's running? Ooh, almost wasted all. That one's more, a little bit more thinner. Put her down here. A little more. Make sure you get your ends. As you know, I don't like to detangle my hair until I put the water on. So we're not going to do that. This deep conditioner here is gliding on nicely. It's nice and a smooth glide. Like I said, you can't really detangle. I'm gonna wait to detangle my hair with this one here. Okay, so I'm just going to put my shower cap on here. And there we go. And I'm going to use my my heated cap here. I have my hot head. I have a new hot head. Isn't she pretty? Yeah, I got her for Christmas. She has the Little Mermaid on there. Too cute. But anyway, this is what the hot head looks like. And what you do, you turn it over. And you put it in the microwave like this for 1 minute. Then once that's done, you flip her back over here. Once that side get hot, then you flip it back over, and then I put it in for a minute in the microwave again, and I check it, see how warm it is, and then I'll put it on another minute. So that's 3 minutes altogether. 2 minutes on this here, and then 1 minute on that side there. And then after that, then I'll put it on my head. But yeah, nice hot head cap to deep condition your hair with. So this is like a good investment. And they're not that much. You can get a sale on these. Like I did get a sale over the holiday weekend. I'm sure they probably have maybe some kind of percentage off. But yeah, it runs like no more than like maybe $25, or some of them are more, so depending on which ones you get. But anyway, I love my hot head cap. So anyway, I'm going to heat it up in the microwave, and I'm going to keep it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, probably about 15 minutes, and then let my head, once you take it off, you're supposed to let your hair cool for about 5 minutes. Once I let it cool, and then I'll be ready to rinse out. Alrighty, I'll see you when I get back. Okay guys, my 10 minutes is up. Put my cap right there. Put my bag on. And the reason you put the bag on with your cap is to protect the inside so it won't get dirty. So that's why you put a shower cap on underneath. Anyway, let's spin. Excuse me. It's been about 10 minutes. It's still nice and warm. So we're going to let it cool off. And this is what it's looking like. It looked like that's soaked in pretty good. Feels nice and silky. Nice and creamy. That's what my hair feels like. Not too product-y like. Okay. And this Briogeo is supposed to help with breakage. If you have any kind of damage and stuff, it's supposed to help with that. So, which that's a good thing. It feels good, nice. Oops, I didn't shed hair because I did not detangle my hair. So I have some shed hair. This is what my hair is looking like here. Here. Okay guys, we're gonna go rinse her out. And back, I rinsed everything out. My hair, it had nice, didn't have a whole lot of slip when rinsing it out. It was like a protein. So, you know, it's like a protein treatment. So it didn't have a whole lot of slip, but it did glide the deep conditioner out nicely. And I was able to detangle, maybe I'm gonna say about out of 1 to 5, maybe about 4%, 3%, 4%. So I was able to do that just to get the product out and kind of pull apart the tangles. So that was nice and easy, which that was fine for me. I didn't have a problem with that. And it didn't feel all buttery and stuff all over your body. So that's a good thing. And like I said before, I did love that it had avocado oil and what was that, sweet almond oil, and it does have biotin in it. So yeah. Okay, here's my hair. It's nice. Here I did put my just to give it that hydration after rinsing that protein treatment out. I did go in with my As I Am leave-in conditioner. So I did go in with this, just the quarter amount, just the quarter size. Rub it in your hand, get my ends real good so it gives it that protein and moisture balance. So it feels good, looks good. I like that treatment. Like that. There we go. So now I'm going to style my hair. I need to find some new products to style my hair with. I'm gonna see what I can find, because I'm always using my same products, and which I love. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. If it's something that you like and it's working on your hair, go ahead and stick with it. But today I'm going to go in with my curls milk, and I'm going to use the Mielle mousse this time. I'm just addicted to those two. The mousse, I just love the mousse. It's been giving me great results. So I do love the mousse. I'm sorry, guys. If it's some products, styling products or something you want me to try, just leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I'm going to keep using the same ones until I find something that I really want to try. Because I know there's a few products out there that I have not tried yet, and I would like to try them. There we go. Okay, it feels good. I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair. Feels nice. Just tangles out the end. There we go. Feels better. Just a little shed hair here. And oh, from my here I go again, from my wash time, washing out my shampoo and my deep conditioner, this is what I got. That's what was in the drain. So that was nice there. And then I have this little piece here from detangling from my my deep conditioner. So that is not bad at all. So there we go. Okay, that was it. I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm not going to do that anymore. I don't know. It kind of helped me keep a track of how much hair I lost too. So, which I've been doing good. Knock on wood. Everything's been coming along fine. I haven't been losing all that hair. Like I said, I think that just scared me a little bit. Let's start with that a little bit first. So the next time I deep condition my hair, I'll see how my hair feels, and then maybe I'll go in with a moisturizing conditioner. Because what was it? Last time I did a moisture, this is a protein, and then next week either like a moisture and strengthening deep conditioner, or a moisturizing conditioner. So I kind of like to I like to rotate my deep conditioners. It's been working good for me. So yeah. I love this. It smells so good. Just spray it a little bit more. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going and I'll come back when I'm done. Okay guys, I have all my product on. And here's my hair. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I am going to use a t-shirt. Grab any old t-shirt, as long as it's cotton, and I'm going to scrunch some of the product out of my hair, and then plus it helps your hair dry quicker that way. So get your t-shirt, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip my head over first. Flip my head over. You guys see me? And I'm going to use my t-shirt here. Get your t-shirt, and you're going to scrunch, scrunch, and scrunch. And then I scrunch back here. Like that. See that product? And then I scrunch this side. And then I'm going to flip my hair back over. Bring it back down. Had it. And then I'm going to scrunch this, that center part that's wet back here. And that's it. And here's my hair, and it shouldn't take that long to dry. Anyway, that is my t-shirt trick for getting my hair to dry a little bit quicker since it's late at night and everything. But try that way and see if you like it. It'll help give you curl definition, and like I said, if you end up putting too much product in, helps get some of that product out. Like I love to use that mousse, so I'll scrunch some of it out, and then that's it. So alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in the morning. Hello guys, I'm just coming to show you my day one hair. Everything's looking good. My hair feels nice and airy. I actually feel nice and bouncy too. I have lots of definition. I do have shine, and my hair feels nice and soft. I don't have any frizz, so everything's looking good in that area. Let me turn around and show you the back. So yeah, I am loving that Protein Deep Conditioner by Briogeo. I will try to keep that deep conditioner in my stash as long as I can get a good sale on that product, because I do like the way my hair feels. That deep conditioner is so much lighter than the Be Gentle, Be Kind, but I do like the Be Gentle, Be Kind because that's on the moisture side. So that's a wonderful deep conditioner. And I do like this, the do not despair repair, because it's a nice protein treatment to keep your hair strong and healthy. And yeah, and loving my results. So I hope this, even though my hair is nice and movable, I hope this wash and go lasts, and I will keep you guys posted down in the comment area. Anyway, I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Hello guys, this is my day 4 hair. Everything is still looking good. Hair is still feeling soft, feel nice and hydrated, definition, and I have shine. So everything is still looking good on day 4. I don't know, I need to work on these pieces right here. I don't know why these pieces here are always more, the curl is more looser on this section here. And sometimes I'll take and I'll swirl it and stick it under here. I'll usually stick a bobby pin back here. Put it like that. Scoot it up. But yeah, I need to work on those pieces. That, for some reason, those pieces there are loose curls. And I have trimmed it and trimmed it and trimmed it, and it grow back, and when it grows back, it always grow back as a loose curl. But anyway, this is day 4. Day 4. Hey guys, I just wanted to come and show you my day 6 hair. It's like I never show you my I guess my day 6 hair. So I wanted to show you, and it's not looking bad here. I do have frizz, because it is day 6. I do have frizz. I still have my curl definition here, and my hair is still nice and soft. It doesn't feel dry or anything. It's still nice and soft and like fluffy, like it's not moving as much, but it's fine. But yeah, this is day 6, and I feel that it's not bad at all. I still, like I said, I still have a lot of curl definition. I did put my I spritz it just a tiny bit with some Jane Carter spray, and put a little argan oil on it, and that's all I did. And yeah, and like I said, the frizz that I do have is just making it just a little bit bigger there, which I like. Alrighty guys, talk to you later.